Have you ever wondered how a sausage from France became such an integral part of Louisiana's culinary scene? Today, we're uncovering the story and flavors behind Cajun Andouille. Andouille originated in France, made from pork and traditionally smoked. It traveled to Louisiana with German immigrants and was later adapted into Cajun cuisine. Cajun cooks took andouille and spiced it up, adding local seasonings and unique smoking techniques that distinguish it from its French counterpart. It's now a staple in many Louisiana dishes. Cajun andouille is heavily spiced and smoked, making it essential for gumbos and jambalaya. It's often paired with garlic and various spices to enhance its bold flavor. Making andouille at home involves a process similar to any smoked sausage, using pork seasoned with garlic and a blend of spices. The smoking process is key to its distinct flavor. Despite its French origins, most Americans associate andouille with Cajun cuisine due to its prominent role in Louisiana dishes. It's a perfect example of culinary adaptation and fusion. So, the next time you enjoy a hearty bowl of gumbo or jambalaya, remember that andouille is much more than just sausage. It's a story of cultural exchange and adaptation in Louisiana. Did you know the rich history behind Cajun andouille? Share your thoughts or favorite ways to use it in the comments below.